Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Popecoin. Ticker symbol is Pope. Now this token just got listed on CoinMarketCap. They also had a pre-sale on pinksale.finance. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it now that the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Popecoin just got listed on CoinMarketCap. It is down 5.27% right now. There's another token that just got listed at the exact same time that I just uploaded a video about called Froki. So check that token out. That one was exploding. This one not doing so well. Now it's down 14%. There is a warning at the top of the page here on CoinMarketCap. There's also a warning on their pre-sale. So these are important, these warnings here. It says smart contract of the following asset can be modified by the contract creator. For example, disable selling, change fees, mint new tokens, or transfer tokens. Please exercise caution while trading and always do your own research. So when there is warnings like that, doesn't always mean it's going to be a scam, but it definitely has a big potential to be a scam. So thoroughly be aware of that. Do your own research before investing. On their pink sale pre-sale, they had a quick audit by Cyberscope that you can view in the discussion section. Now it says owner can't set fees over 25%, owner can't set max transaction amount, owner can't mint new tokens after initial deployment, but it does say owner can blacklist wallets and owner can pause trading. So that can be super sketchy. They can pause trading, blacklist wallets, nobody can sell, becomes a honeypot, and then they can rug everyone. So be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research before thinking about getting this token. It can be super sketchy, okay? All those warnings on there are there for a reason. Now, 50% of these tokens are going to be burnt. 16.71% go to pre-sale. 9.3% go to liquidity. 6.6% go to exchange listings. And according to their token metrics pie chart on PinkSale, it says 17.35% of the tokens are unlocked. So there is a big amount of tokens that are unlocked on here as well. Now this is an Ethereum token. If you did want to get this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, trade your Ethereum for the Pope token using the contract address that you can find on CoinMarketCap or their Etherscan or webpage. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you may have to set slippage if that's in the Tokenomics, but we'll go over that. Right now they have 516 holders, 18 decimal places, and a low amount of tokens. For a meme token, not a lot of tokens. Max total supply, 777,777 tokens. That is it. Usually meme tokens are like 420 quadrillion. So, the Holy Mission and the Holy Community. In stage 1 of our mission, Holy Pepe mainly focuses on his community, the fundamental heartbeats of every meme coin. More and more people are joining the Holy Pepe on his adventurous journey into heaven. The Meme Vatican arrived in phase 2. The path of Pope is increasingly being shaped by his community. The Pope token is now globally trending on social media, and everyone wants to be a part of the movement. The Pope takeover is in full swing. And then last phase is heaven. Finally arrived in heaven. Pope has now been blessed with his believers on the path to financial freedom. The gang is enthusiastically cheering about the glorious success. So their short roadmap here is build a brand, pre-sale on PinkSale, launch on Uniswap. It says locked liquidity, but, as I said, It is locked, but the rest of the things are sketchy, so be aware of that. 0% buy and sell tax, so you most likely will not have to change slippage if you are getting this token. But it did say they can put the buy and sell fees up to 25% in that quick audit, so be aware of that. It says renounced ownership, but, I mean that big warning, it says no team tokens, but... And then it's got the Pepe factor. It's got the meme factor, it says. So it says they are going to have burning. So it's a deflationary token. They have exchange liquidity. So that it says they are going to be listed on some central exchanges in the future according to their own white paper. Now, on their webpage, they do have a link to their contract, meme paper, pre-sale, Twitter, Telegram, buy now, Tokenomics homepage, about partners or Uniswap, Ethereum, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. Never lose your Pope token, it says. Have you also burned yourself these days on a hunt for the next 1,000 times Pepe? The dream of turning $27 into 1 mil? The time of the narrative frog era is once again coming to an end, but what about you? Did you miss them all? Don't give up. Pope is an endless, merciful token that gives you a last chance. You're better this time. So, again, be aware of what's going on here. So they have a different roadmap on their webpage here. It says pre-sale. Then we got the bless the early plebs, it says. Launch the token. Pope token trending on Twitter and Telegram. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. 1,000 plus holders. Central exchange listings. Praise and hodl. Eventually, they're going to come out with some Pope merch, it says. You'll be able to get the merch. I mean, I would rock that merch. And then it says full season Pope takeover. They're going to have giveaways as well. So you might want to get involved with that. Probably follow their socials if you want to check out the giveaways. They do have a Twitter and Telegram. Now, their Telegram, at Pope Verify, has 515 subscribers so far. It says, complete our verification CAPTCHA to access the official Pope community. And then we have they have the blue check mark here on Twitter at Popecoin_ETH. Psalm 7:7, be early or be late. It's interesting. So then their pinned tweet here, or their top tweet from 14 minutes ago, talking about get this token on Uniswap, and then the one underneath is talking about how they just got listed on CoinMarketCap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Popecoin? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Be aware of that warning for sure there on CoinMarketCap. You do not want to get rugged. Check out their audit, their quick audit that's listed on Pink Sale. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.